Okay, we're looking here at sheet number 10. Sheet number 10 is from Criteria 2, and we're developing our product. We're showing how our table is going to be developed. So we're saying how we're going to change our design from our original design idea or our design drawing to something that is more suitable for the people that we're making the table for. So the first thing we do is take our best design idea and we scan that in, place that here. And we say this is the final design drawing for my table. This design meets my specifications points because. So how does it meet your original specification? Well, the answer that we've got here is that it is a compact size, it has a modern and contemporary look that I think will appeal to my target market. So you're sort of just explaining to the examiner why you've chosen this design. And you're also saying that I think this is a table that I could make. It's no good choosing a design that is absolutely something you wouldn't be able to make in the time you have available. Next, we take our first card model picture and say this is a picture of my final design model for my table. You describe how you made it. So you say I made it using pieces of softwood, I made it using foam board, I cut it out with a scalpel, I glued it together. You just describe quickly how you made it and why you made it. You made it so that other people can look at it. You can see what your table looks like in the, actually the model of your table. I found it a good shape and I think my target market would like it. But it says here, and there's the problem, my specification says the table should have storage, and this does not meet this specification point. So this design doesn't meet the main point of your specification that the table should have storage. And we've actually said that in the specification, we said it in the design brief. Then we have our second model, or it can be the first model, as in this case, but we just made modifications. Now we thought these pieces under here looked too heavy. When we asked other people and what they thought of this table, they said these pieces were too thick, too heavy, made the table look too heavy. So we've changed those from thick wood pieces to thin metal pieces. These are called stretchers, and we've changed these. And we've also added a little drawer here. You can see the little drawer, and that was our second development model. And here we've described those changes. We said this is the final model for my table. I made the changes by adding some storage for small items, with a medium-sized drawer located at the end of the table. The table now meets my specification much better. It's got some storage. Most people want to store small items, so we're saying what they want to store, why they'd store it, and we're just describing the changes. And then just down here is an overview saying this is my design, I showed it to some people, this is what they thought, these are the changes I made. So you're just showing the development, the stages that you're going through in making your table from an idea to something that will best suit the needs of the user, suit what the people want from their product.